So we've got our Grok. We want to copy this. So we go to File, Copy. Now we've got our Word. I'll just open that again. Delete that. So we go to Word, blank document. And then what we normally do is click on that, go to Edit and Paste, right? Then you get these stupid boxes here that you can't get rid of. You've Googled it, you've gone online, it's telling you to do all of this stuff and it doesn't work. So this is what you do. So go to Word, create. Over here, you've got paste. Click on this, keep text only. There it is. All the text you need. Thanks for watching.